How to get unbanned from Omegle without VPN. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get unbanned from Omegle without VPN. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What you can do to start off with is to change to another browser. So if you're for example using Firefox today, then change to Google Chrome or some other browser. I have seen this work for some people. If that does not work for you, then another thing you can try specifically if you're using a Google Chrome browser, then you can click right here, then click where it says add. Then you can add a new profile on Google Chrome and click where it says continue without an account. If that also don't solve the issue for you, then Omegle has most likely IP banned you unfortunately, and to solve this issue the quickest way is to simply use your smartphone if you have one to use Omegle instead, or if you have another computer then you can also try Omegle on it and see if it works. If this helped you out then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.